Hello everyone. Today in this video I take the topic of the Income Tax Act, exempted income. Exempted income is comes under the section 10 in this act, and I will tell you what is exempted income. Exempted income means the income which does not form a part of your total income. Exempted income which you are not liable to pay tax on that income. That income is exempt from your total income. This is exempted income, means you are not liable to pay on that income which are in comes under the section 10 of the act. I will tell you on which income you are not liable to pay a tax. First one is agriculture income. In agriculture income, those income which you are generate from your agriculture purposes, which you are generate from your agriculture mode, those income are not liable to pay a tax on the agriculture income. Second one is partnership firm profit share. If you are doing some business with your partners and the profit you earn from your partnerships, if you are earn from your business and the profit, you are not liable to pay the tax on that profit. And third one is house rent allowance. If you are taking allowance of your house rent, if a company, if a government give you a house allowance for residential purpose, that amount you are not payable to the tax on that amount. That amount exclude from your total income. Fourth one is travel allowances. If you are joined some a company, if you are a employer of a government, but the government or a company giving you allowance from your travel, if you are giving your traveling expenses for you, but these exclude from your income and you are not liable to pay on that amount. Third one is gratuity. Gratuity means received on retirement and resignation is exempted under the certain limits. There are the limits for gratuity depending on your whether employer in a government or private. This is on depend on your gratuity. This is depending upon your employment. And other one is compensation of retrenchment and voluntary retirement. If you are voluntary take your voluntary retirement, or if a compensation given by the company on your retrenchment, this income is excluded from income tax act. If you are not liable to pay income tax on this amount. Third one is interest on a prevent funds and saving certificates. If you are taking a certificates from some awards or something else, you are not liable to pay a tax on that amount. Allowance for office expenses. If you are traveling from one place to another place for your business, for a company's purpose, for a meetings or some other jobs, and the company giving you allowance for that purpose, this amount is in your income, but this amount is exempt from your when you will file the ITR. This amount is exempt from this total income. And I will tell you the last one. The last one is scholarship and awards. If you are taking a scholarship from government, or if you are taking a award from some other profession or some other things, these awards money and the scholarship is exempt from your income tax act. You are not liable to pay a tax on that amount. In conclusion, I will tell you, in section 10 of the income tax act 1961 tells those incomes which I classified, was I classified in this video, those income you are not liable to pay income tax on these, because these are the in section 10, and you are not liable to pay on the to income tax to the government of India in this. Thank you so much.